You know, सीमा ऐसा एक टाइम था जब कुशाल was very low in the show और कोई उसे support नहीं कर रहा था. For his own doings or whatever, I'm team Kushal. I've been saying this openly. But there were two people and two very strong women who supported him. एक तो थी मिनी और दूसरे थे आप. And I think that people really liked about you and your personality, right? वो bond कैसे develop हुआ और वो understanding about that Kushal is actually misjudged, वो कब पता लगा?
You know, मैं जब आई थी, there was this whole talk about कुशाल. वो तब रीवा के बारे में बहुत बात हो रही थी. Because I think वो जो ये गेम में जो है who they want to out in the game, वो पहले वीक के बिगिनिंग में ही डिसाइड कर लेते हैं. और you know क्या क्या उसने किया. That I heard one thing about outing. It was her vote that डॉली निकल गई उस एक वोट के वजह से when she was her best friend. तो वो I didn't find correct. लेकिन जब मैं फिर I got to know कुशाल, I realized that he is a deeply loyal person. और वो काफ़ी misunderstood है. और when I used to talk to him, I'm also a no BS person. वो तो anybody who knows me, मुझे जो लगता है I will tell it to you on your face. तो I think that approach only he and I got along from day one. And वो जाने से पहले भी मुझे कहा था कि you are what you are on the face of it. जब मैंने उसको वोट भी नहीं दी थी, I remember दूर से वो मुझे कह रहा था दिन का, भाई से कोड मुझे देना. And I looked at myself, बिल्कुल नहीं दूंगी तुझे. He's laughing, people are hating me for it, but I felt at that point कि Zaid also deserved a chance. And I felt इसके बाद Zaid को कहाँ मिलेगी ये chance, ये सब, because Zaid is not a very, how can I say, he is a दिल का साफ, meaning he doesn't know, I feel, how to strategize इतना and play these games and mind games. वो काफ़ी सीधा इंसान है. तो I felt like the time that was his time also to shine.
True. Yeah.
Everybody gets that moment. I wanted to support him because he's a lovely guy, and Kushal I knew would get there. So I think Kushal understood that where I was coming from and where Sohail was coming from, and there was no animosity between us at all.
That's amazing.
And he's a lovely guy. He just वो उसको जो लगता है वो मुंह पे बोल देता है, like a soda bottle he rubs, उसके बाद वो ठंडा भी
फिसलन भी हो जाता है. वो
और उसके साथ जो हुआ also, you know, the isolating, two wrongs don't make a right.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
On to in a घर where there are 16 लोग हैं and you isolate one human being और उसको अकेले में खाना खा रहा है, he's lying down, he's crying. I don't think it's right. I mean, it doesn't feel right.
True.
And जिस तरीके से Vanshaj came back in and everybody was cheering, it was to put one man down. It's not a nice feeling.
Yeah.
And it's not a nice feeling कि, you know, Vanshaj also read that letter. जो letter I thought was hitting under the belt.
Yeah, it was.
कुशाल के तरीके I do not condone. He's wrong because he doesn't know how to handle. He gets defensive. But when he talks to somebody, he puts the other person also on the defensive.
Right.
There's a way to handle him. If you उसको बिठा के आप समझाओ ना, वो सुनता है.
वो तो है. But you know, सीमा ऐसे ना दो audiences है जो divided है, you know, और मुझे आपका opinion जानना है. You know, Sohail being Sohail, you know, we look at him as somebody जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा strongly बाहर आएंगे शो में. But जब झगड़े हो रहे थे, especially जब कुशाल के झगड़े हो रहे थे, he would actually move aside, you know. No, but other better person than you can answer this. Is that really him कि वो show उसे ऐसे बना रहे थे?
I think Sohail over the years has become this person. वो जो गर्मी थी in his youth वो नहीं रही अब. He has become a very calm person who likes peace, who likes. There are a lot of things about Sohail that I discovered कि, you know, in his heyday he may have reacted differently. लेकिन अब I think at the age of 55 he has also seen enough of life, realized what is right, what is wrong, and he's a very good judge of people.
Yeah.
So I think he's also kind of calmed down. और वो भी वो वैसे वाले सोहेल रहे नहीं.